So welcome to the live Forex market analysis daily trading report, where we look at the markets before the price moves. There's no Monday morning quarterbacking here in this portion of the program. Since this program can result in financial gain as well as financial loss, please take a moment and pause the video at each of our risk disclaimers. Now let's take a look at the live market. This is going to be our live trade analysis in the live market on the Euro-US dollar for the July 26th sessions. If you remember, we have our trading marks in here from the last couple of trading sessions where we were looking for trades. We drew this trend line in here. We were looking for a break of this trend line and then putting our stop back here, looking for the market to continue on in the downtrend that's been on. Again, very choppy markets due to the time of year. The end of July, August markets, for the most cases, do not go off to the races. They do at times, but very choppy. So for the upcoming session, we're either already in this trade, waiting for it to patiently pay us or stop us out. Again, we prefer the payment. We enjoy having the market pay us. So for the upcoming session, it's not going to be too different than some of the things we've been looking at in the previous sessions because the market is so tight, in such a tight trading range as we can see through here. There's not much difference in these lows and these highs between these lows and these highs. Stuck in a very, very tight range market, about 120 pips or so for days. So again, the daily's in a strong downtrend. The midterm 8-hour is in a strong downtrend. Their shorter term 2-hour is more or less just in a neutral position. It's not trending. As we can see, all this chop here since pretty much the middle of the month. Because it is so choppy, what you're seeing right now is repetition of a lot of the same strategy over and over again. This should help you to appreciate that we're not doing anything fancy. There's no real magic here. That this is something you can learn to repeat over and over again. So we basically just drew a new trend line from the lows to the lows of the most recent session. And we would be looking for a similar strategy as we have for the last several sessions. Because of the longer term downtrend, we're looking for a break of this trend line for a sell. And we're still going to keep our stops back here. And the reason we're keeping our stops back here is because of the extreme choppiness of the market. There are times we can take it, for example, and put it just above this high. But given this volatile market right now, we're going to look for a break of this trend line here to the downside for a sell, stop back over here, and then look for profit. Look to take profits at some of these lows, especially targeting these lows from Brexit, and maybe even break through these levels to even lower lows. Thank you for taking a few minutes and joining me in this live trading session on the Euro-US dollar for the July 26th session. My name is Seth Gregory.